Good morning to you all. I want to welcome you to today's webinar with Insurance Agency Marketing Services. We'll be discussing the EquiTrust Single Premium Life Suite. Again, appreciate all of your attendance, and we'll get started here. Just wanted to remind you as well, if you have any questions, please type them, and I will do my best to answer them at the appropriate time, either during the presentation or afterwards. Just some quick housekeeping issues before we get started with the meat of the presentation. Wanted to go over some of the great incentive programs that we have here at Insurance Agency Marketing Services. And again, if I failed to mention, this is TJ, one of the life marketing directors here at IAMS. I want to cover first of all our new producer bonus for any new producer contracted with us in their first 180 days can choose any one of these three levels of participation. So at $100,000 of premium, whether that be single premium life or annuity or a combination of both, you could choose that first level, in which you'll receive a $750 cash bonus, or a 2-year subscription to a website newsletter service, or the latest generation iPad. iPad's a nice little gift there, as more and more of the carriers are going to a more portable e-app situation with their applications. You can either choose that level or forgo that and shoot for the $300,000 premium level and make yourself eligible for a full Social Security program and 3,000-piece postcard mailing, $2,000 in matching marketing money to promote your business, or a $1,500 Visa gift card. And if you're shooting for the stars in those first 180 days, you can forego those first two levels and shoot for the $500,000 premium level, in which you could receive a 5,000-piece mailing and seminar coaching from one of our top producers, Matt Gill, a 4,000-piece mailing and seminar coaching with another one of our top producers, Dave Pimper, or a Ritz-Carlton Travel Rewards make your own personal getaway. So there highlights our new producer bonus. If you have any additional questions on that, please don't hesitate to give us a call, 800-255-5055. I want to make mention of our 2018 Top Producers Escape as well. That'll be held in Scottsdale, Arizona at the Boulders Resort, February 25th through the 28th. And you could qualify with any combination of the premium that you see down there below. So $2 million in annuity premium, 1.5 in single premium life, 175,000 in life target premium, and so on. Qualification period for that trip is July 1st of 2016 through December 31st of 2017. So a lot of time remaining in the year to get that premium in and qualify for the trip, and we'd love to help you do so. So I want to talk a little bit about our creative services team. Great group of people in that department with a wide array of knowledge and definitely advanced skill level to help you in your basic marketing all the way through television with video creation and local channel deployment as you seek to market your business. And as you see there at the bottom of each square, you can qualify for these services with modest production, or there are the amounts that vary for that particular service. So any questions in regard to our creative services, give us a call, 800-255-5055. You can ask to speak to Jen Decker or Josh Tricarton on our creative team. I want to make mention of our industry recognized Life and Annuity Academy. We hold a few of these throughout the year. We are approaching our first academy here in just a matter of a couple of months here. The first Academy dates will be May 17th through the 19th. I do believe we still have a few spots available for that Academy. It is one that we sponsor fully. We pay for your travel costs, lodging, food, a trip that's truly sponsored by us. There's just a couple qualifying factors that kind of prerequisites, if you will, that need to be in place to get a spot on that trip. Would love to share those with you. You can call us at 800-255-5055. But we'll cover ideas such as strategies for top producers, large life case marketing, business insurance concepts, wealth transfer tools, just a wide array of good information that I think will be beneficial to you as you grow as a professional into your practice. We'll have some of our top producers there. We'll have representation from some of our partners as well, and just a great time of learning and growing. If you would like some more information on that trip, or you're interested in attending, I'm going to launch a very quick poll here. Just click yes or no to gauge your interest, and we'll reach back out to you and see if that might be an opportunity that would be available to you. So I'll go ahead and launch that poll. Give us a couple seconds to respond. Again, just click yes or no, and then we'll move on. And other dates for the Academy, before I forget here, we're looking at some September dates, and then we'll do another one again in November. So we have the May Academy coming up here pretty quick, September and November. So even if you're interested in attending a future Academy, go ahead and click yes or no. Let's get the process started. Just 2 more seconds here, and I'll get that shut down. Okay, I appreciate all the responses there. Next, I want to discuss IAMS Wealth Management. Just launched a new division here at Insurance Agency Marketing Services in preparation for all that was to come and still is to come in some form with the Department of Labor ruling. We wanted to be prepared and have our producers prepared for that particular environment. And so again, as a result, we launched our IAMS Wealth Management for those that are moving to or see the need to move to a fee-based practice, those Series 65 licensed individuals. So it's an insurance-friendly asset management solution built with the advisor as our top priority. We want to take the burdens of new business processing, portfolio construction, asset management, all those kind of back office burdens, if you will. We want to take on that for you. Would love to chat with you or have our IAMS Wealth Management folks chat with you to help you understand kind of what that means and how to grow your business and broaden the scope of your services that you provide to your clients. You can reach out to the IAMS Wealth Management team for additional information at 1-888-255-7670. I'm also going to launch another poll here regarding IAMS Wealth Management. Again, please click yes or no. We'll keep that open just for a few seconds here, and would love to pass that information along to that IAMS Wealth Management team so that they can reach out to you and just discuss with you all the benefits that we're offering there. Just a couple more seconds there. Okay, and we'll get that closed out and move on. to talk a little bit about our referred producer program and our marketing reimbursement program that we have. First, referred producer program. When you refer a producer to insurance agency marketing services and they send back their contracting kit or contracting information, we cut you a check for $50 just for the referral. Don't have to write any business, just for the name and them contracting. We'll kick you back $50. When that referral writes their first piece of business, we'll cut you a check for $100. And then on top of that, we'll pay you 20 basis points on any business that your referral writes thereafter. So again, we have many of our longtime producers that have referred other producers to us that are still collecting revenue off the folks that they referred to us. So if you know anyone that is on the independent side of their production or looking to move over, please get them over to us. And we'll take care of it from there, and you will reap the rewards from the referral. We also have our great marketing reimbursement program. Love talking about this program because just a lot of people have the tendency to maybe overlook it. And there's so many things that can be done there. So when you write, or every time you write, I should say, $100,000 in premium, we deposit $200 in marketing reimbursement cash into an account for you. And out of that pot, if you will, we will pay 50% of your marketing expenses. We've seen client appreciation events being paid for from that bucket of money. Agents who have refurnished their offices with marketing reimbursement money. Any expense that you come up with or incur rather that is an expense to your business is eligible for that marketing reimbursement money. If you purchase leads, let's just say you purchase $400 or $500 in leads a month, and you've got a couple $100,000 in premium, so you've got $400 in the kitty, and you again purchase $500 worth of leads, we're going to cut you a check for $250 to cover 50% of that lead cost. So again, it's a great way to cut your expenses in half. We're going to share that burden with you, and that money is available to you just for writing business. So definitely take advantage of that. If you are a consistent producer with us and you're not exactly sure where you're at in regards to your paid premium with us, give us a call. We'll let you know, and we'll get those dollars attributed to your account. 800-255-5055. Okay, I want to get into the heart of our presentation here, discuss the Wealth Max Bonus Life and WealthSure products with EquiTrust, one of our top carriers on the single premium life side, and let's get into it. So single premium life, great solution. I always say for, especially for your clients who have those idle assets, if you will, tied up in annuities, maybe annuities that are out of surrender, old cash value life insurance policies. They've got money in passbook savings accounts or CDs. Again, just assets sitting there idle. They're not going to be used for income, but that wealth is going to be transferred to the next generation, to their heirs or beneficiaries. Here's a great way to take those assets and leverage them into, just as you see here on the slide, a guaranteed death benefit, income tax free money to the beneficiaries. It's life insurance, so we avoid probate, and we maintain access and control over those assets. Also, one of the biggest features, I think one of the things to talk about the most when you're in front of a client is the accelerated death benefit feature that may help with long-term care costs. So as you can see, or as you may well know, rather, as you talk to clients on a day-to-day basis, long-term care needs don't cease to exist. Even though the marketplace is getting very narrow, carriers are kind of jumping off of that chip. They're not offering long-term care products, but again, the need doesn't go away. So wouldn't it be great if you could sit down with your clients and present to them a long-term care alternative? Again, it's not a replacement. But it is a backup, if you will, or kind of something to keep in your back pocket if a client may not be able to qualify, or is just not in the position where they can afford a traditional long-term care policy, or maybe they're just kind of soured against the idea. And here's single premium life coming to the rescue, if you will, and giving them the opportunity to get that need covered, as well as being an effective means for wealth transfer. I had mentioned old cash value life insurance policies, as well as some good candidates. So when your current life policy, or when the client's current life policy does not meet the client's particular needs, this product, single premium life, is very 1035 friendly. It's a one and done situation, so we don't have to worry about paying future premiums. And we could simply solve for a face amount. If a client has 35, 50,000, et cetera, of cash value in an existing policy, we can just transfer that over, see what the death benefit, or see how much death benefit that premium purchases for us, and we have a policy that we don't have to worry about again. Also, it's simplified issue. So no exams, no labs, no nurse coming out to the house, no driving to some place to give bodily fluids. It's very simple, very quick turnaround on the application, just a paper app and a telephone interview. And in most cases, we've got an answer back, or we have an answer back within the first 48 hours. Underwriting process. If you have folks with some health history, as I like to say, please don't let it hinder you from presenting this solution to them and applying for coverage. Simplified issue again, standard up to a table 4. So they will accept or reject up to a table before. There's a pre-qualification chart that we could go over with you. There's the health questions that will be asked on the phone interview or on the application as well. Again, no exams or fluid draws. There may be APSs that are ordered at the underwriter's discretion, but again, usually have a decision within 48 hours, and in some cases, real-time notification of the decisions. So liquidity, we think of life insurance and in comparison to some other options out there, say CDs or annuities, and we think, gosh, we don't want to tie up the monies in a life insurance product. Maybe they'll need them for an emergency or a rainy day. Well, just know that there are liquidity provisions in these products. We have 5% free withdrawals, 1 per year, $25 fee per withdrawal. Okay, we can access money via policy loans. The Wealth Max bonus product has a return of premium feature from day one. So if the client decides 6 months, a year in, 3 years in, hey, I want my money back, or I need my money back due to some unforeseen circumstance, no questions asked, the return of premium feature is there. And then also we have liquidity for nursing home and home health care, as we discussed earlier, through the accelerated death benefit rider. It also covers terminal illness as well. So some very generous liquidity provisions in that product. Again, we have the accelerated death benefit rider, terminal illness, 95% of the death benefit in a lump sum, and then we have, again, provisions for nursing home and home health care in there as well. What I like about especially the Wealth Max product. If you have an illustration ran for a client, or you want to request a sample illustration from us, on page 10 of the illustration, it shows you right there in black and white what is available, or the benefit available for your nursing home health care, or the terminal illness coverage. The dollar amount is right there, like I said, in black and white. So if the client is wondering exactly what, benefits do I have available, what's my monthly amount that I have, or annual amount, it's right there for you on the illustration. Makes it very easy to discuss with the client. So just kind of some recaps about Wealth Max Bonus. It's a single premium indexed universal life. Issue ages between 50 and 85. $10,000 minimum premium with a $750,000 max face amount. This product does offer a 12% premium bonus added to the accumulation value immediately. We have the return of premium guarantee, death benefit guaranteed to age 121. So when you think of your index universal life products, sometimes there's a little hesitation in presenting that with the client, because the traditional form of indexed UL, on that guaranteed death benefit column, sometimes money runs out. Well, you don't have to worry about with that with this product. Death benefit is guaranteed to age 121, and there's a 10-year declining surrender charge schedule. A little bit on that surrender charge schedule. That only applies, remember, you have the return of premium guarantee. The surrender charge schedule only applies to amounts taken out below the full return of premium and above that 5% free withdrawal number. On the, you could view the cap rates here on the particular indexes available with the product as well. Great commissions on this product. Ages 50 through 75, we have an 8% commission. 76 to 80, 7.5%. Ages 81 to 85, 5.5%. When you compare those to what's available out there in the annuity world, very generous commissions on this type of product. So again, what does Wealth Max Bonus Life offer your clients? Guaranteed death benefit, guaranteed return of premium feature, and they can accelerate the death benefits for chronic illness, critical illness, if they face it. Just a scenario here. Betty, a non-smoker, age 60, $50,000 in a CD earning 2%, with the objective of leaving this money to her grandchildren when she dies. What are her concerns? Potential for health-related expenses during her lifetime, such as those that we discussed, nursing home or home health care. So she has the option to A, leave the money in the CD, transfer it to an annuity at 3%, or purchase a Wealth Max Bonus life policy. Well, here on the death benefit comparison slide, you can see the advantages of using the Wealth Max Bonus over CD and annuity. So a great alternative, much more in regards to death benefit and even on the accumulation side in comparison to CDs and annuities. We do have this slide available that is very client friendly. You can use it in a sales situation. So would highly encourage you to do that. You can give us a call and request it. Don't hesitate to do so. This chart is just a comparison of the accessible funds due to illness. So compared to the other options, CDs and annuities, a Wealth Max Bonus Life offers 4 major advantages. Tax advantages. So we've got tax-free accumulation in the product. We've got probably the most important tax advantage in the product with the tax-free death benefit. We've got guaranteed death benefit, excellent growth potential, and accelerated death benefit for certain health conditions. Now, EquiTrust just released a brand new product I think it was just last Tuesday or Wednesday that they rolled this out, called the Wealth Horizon Life. So so we have some similarities to the Wealth Max bonus in regards to issue age, 50 to 85. It's a single premium product. Again, $10,000 minimum, 750 max, guaranteed death benefit to 121, and the 10-year declining surrender charge schedule does not have the premium bonus. And does not have the return of premium feature immediately. It's available after, I believe, 3 years, but just excellent rates for wealth accumulation. So the cash accumulation on this product is probably one of the strongest that I've seen, and that translates to growth on the death benefit side as well. And they're indexed and fixed accounts available. So just a great product. That they rolled out here, and I think is going to prove to be one of the most competitive in the single premium life arena. You could see the illustrated rates and cap rates there. So on that 1 year point to point, a 12% cap, 155% cap on the 2 year point to point participation, that Goldman Sachs Dynamo Index. And you can see the illustrated rates here on the far right. So again, just some great growth potential in this product for your clients looking for wealth transfer solutions. Great commissions there on the Wealth Max bonus. As of January 17th of this year, it took a 1% hit. Well, they bounced back, gave you back that 1% in the Wealth Horizon product. So ages 50 to 75, we're back at 9%. 76 to 80, 8.5, 81 and 85, 6.5. So excellent or very lucrative opportunity for you there on the commission side on this Wealth Horizon product. Again, would love to get you out some more information on that new product. Don't hesitate to reach out to us at 800-255-5055. You can ask for me, TJ, or anyone else in the life department. We'd be more than happy to discuss that with you, get you out any sample illustrations you need or product information on the Wealth Horizon Life. I'll touch briefly on the Wells Sure Life product. So it's interest sensitive, single premium, whole life product. Issue age is just slightly different here. Instead of 50 to 85 with the Wealth Max and Wealth Horizon, we've got 55 to 85 here. Still a $10,000 minimum buy-in with the 750 max face. 4.5% current interest rate with a 3% guarantee. So very solid, conservative performer with this product. We have an increasing death benefit, but there are no premium bonuses or return of premium on this particular product. So if you lean a little more towards the whole life side versus the IUL, very strong product available with a Wells Sure Life. We've got a lot of our agents that love this particular product. Guaranteed death benefit to age 121 with a 10-year declining surrender charge schedule. Great commissions on this particular product, 55 to 65 at 15%, and 66 to 80, 14%, 81 to 85, 10.5%. So any opportunities that you could think of even now as we're on the webinar, where you say, I've got clients, I've got a great annuity book of business with clients that are out of surrender. I'm not getting paid on those any longer. And I can probably put the client in a much better situation in regards to wealth transfer. And there you go on the commission side. What a great opportunity to help your clients leverage those idle assets and make a little money in the process. So once you're appointed with EquiTrust, you have access to their website for the latest in product information, sales materials, any marketing tools or pieces that you would need. You're able to run illustrations, put together application packets for your cases that you're working on, and see your active and pending business and check your commissions. We would be more than happy to do all that for you. If you need an illustration, we'll run it for you, product information, etc. Any of that, don't hesitate to give us a shout. We'll get that right over to you. But you just know that you do, once you're appointed with EquiTrust, you do have access to that website and all of that information at your fingertips. I'm going to launch another quick poll here, and regarding contracting information for EquiTrust. So if you would like to be contracted with EquiTrust, just click yes, and would be more than happy to get you out a contracting kit, start that process, and start writing some business. So I'll go ahead and launch that poll, leave it open for a few seconds here, and while you're answering that, I'll see if we have any questions in the queue. All right, I'll leave that poll question up just a little bit more. Contracting information on EquiTrust, be more than happy to send that out to you. And we'll go ahead and close that up. So EquiTrust, great company. We do quite a bit of business with them. Trusted name with us, one of our top, I would definitely say top 2, top 3 companies that we write single premium life with, so you can have all the confidence that they are a solid company. And I think they're doing some really great things to kind of shore themselves up and prove to be a great conservative and watchful company on their product line. So just again, a great single premium life carrier. If you'd like more information on the what I like to call a great CD, annuity, or long-term care alternative, just in a general sense. You want to talk single premium life, you want to talk sales concepts, you want to talk who might be a good fit for it, just get some kind of a general feel for the product or general information, just kind of a 101, single premium life 101, if you will. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you have any interest, again, in just a basic conversation with us on that, feel free to respond to the poll question, and that'll end our time together today. Didn't see any questions in the queue, but if you do have them, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at 1-800-255-5055. We would love to answer any questions for you, love to partner with you, provide any information for you that you may need, competitive quotes, anything that we can do to help. We're sure here for you for that purpose. So I want to thank you for attending today's webinar. Wish you all the best. Stay safe. Have a great time this St. Patrick's Day, and we'll see you again very soon.